Hello everyone! If you need to escape from the stresses of a mundane life, the Parbati Valley of Himachal should be your destination. So today we are going to visit Manikaran Sahib Gurudwara, which is located in the Parbati Valley. Manikaran town is in the Kullu district of Himachal Pradesh. It is at an altitude of 1760 meters and is located 4 km ahead of Kasol. The entire trip gives a magnificent view of the mighty Parbati river flowing down with all her might and beauty. The entire journey was very scenic, with the mountains, narrow roads, sharp curves, and the river flowing adjacent to the road. On our way, we'll get Kasol, which is blessed with fantastic weather throughout the year and provides a beautiful green landscape with lush forest encapsulating the valleys. Rain accompanied us during the entire trip, and after the thrilling experience of river rafting, we needed this serene calm of nature. Just look at this place, it's so mesmerizing. We just stopped our car to have a view of this place. The word Manikaran is derived from two words. Mani means a jewel and Karn means the ear. Legends state that Lord Shiva and Ma Parvati stayed here for as long as 11,000 years in meditation. During their stay here, goddess Parvati lost her money in the stream. Upset over the loss, she asked Lord Shiva to retrieve it. Lord Shiva commanded his attendant to find the money for Ma Parvati. However, when they failed, he was extremely angry. He opened his third eye, a tremendously inauspicious event that led to disturbances in the universe. An appeal was made before the serpent god Sheshnag to pacify Lord Shiva. Sheshnag hissed, thereby giving rise to a flow of boiling water. The water spread over the entire area, resulting in the emergence of many precious stones along with goddess Parvati's lost money. Lord Shiva and goddess Parvati were happy with the outcome and stayed here for a long time. According to another legend, it is believed that Lord Manu recreated human life in Manikaran after the flood, making it a sacred area. According to the Sikhs, the founder of Sikhism, Guru Nanak, came to this place with his disciple Bhai Mardana. Mardana felt hungry and they had no food. Guru Nanak sent Mardana to collect food for the langar. Many people donated atta to make roti. The one problem was that there was no fire to cook the food. Guru Nanak asked Mardana to lift a stone and thus a hot spring appeared. Mardana put the rolled chapatis in the spring, but the chapatis sank. Guru Nanak then told him to pray to God, saying that if his chapatis float back, then he would donate one chapati in his name. When he prayed, all the chapatis started floating duly baked. So here we reached Manikaran Sahib Gurudwara. We were completely mesmerized by the ambience. So this is the Parbati river and there you can see the natural hot springs. Your eyes will be blessed to see the beautiful landscape. So finally, we entered the Gurudwara. We opened our shoes and covered our head and entered to offer our prayer. We then went to the langar for the prasad. You have to take your own plates, sit on the ground to cherish the food. Once done, everyone needs to wash their own plates following the line. This place will give you instant relaxation and bring out the happy, blissful smile in you. The Gurudwara looks beautiful from the outside, and watching the hot spring from the bridge with steam rising so high is worth experiencing here. This place is so blissful that you will never want to leave this place. If you want to experience life fully and start making real memories worth looking back, then do come to Kasol and Manikaran. On our way back, we entered the Sri Ram stalls at Kullu to buy some gifts for our friends and relatives. They have beautiful collections, especially of winter wear. Thank you everyone.